Do you ever ask yourself if clicking on your sheet tabs or using the navigation pane is always the best solution to navigate your workbook? Well, then let me show you this awesome trick. What most Excel users don't know is that you can use the name box to navigate through your workbook. For instance, in this example, we assigned a name to cell A1 in each worksheet. Now look how awesome this is. I can just write or select one of my names and I instantly jump to that worksheet. At this point, you might say, yeah, cool. But it is still faster to use the navigation pane, and I don't have to bother in setting all this up. And I say, yeah, that might sometimes be true, but consider this. With the name box, you can even jump to specific locations in your workbook. So for instance, if in my Europe worksheet I have some data that is located in cell A100, then I can just assign this cell a name. Let's call it Europe Summary. And now check this out. No matter in what worksheet I am, I can just use the name box to jump back to my data located in cell A100 in my Europe worksheet. Fantastic! Oh, and don't forget to share this post and follow us for daily Excel tips and tricks.